Hi dear friends, it's Stella here. Welcome back to my channel. So right into this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to use a VPN. So if you are using iPhone or Android, just stick around till the end of this video to learn how to do this. I'm making this video on request. Someone dropped a comment in my comment section in the previous video asking that I should teach how to use a VPN, which is what I'm doing now. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the like button so that more people can benefit from this video. So let's get to the main video. Okay, so before you use a VPN, go to your Play Store. When you open your Play Store like this, you just type in Thunder VPN for Android. Okay, this Thunder VPN is for Android. For iPhone users, watch the screen. I'm going to put up the best VPN for iPhone. Okay, you type in Thunder VPN and then search for it. You can see I already have it. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to tap on open. So if you don't have it in your phone, you just have to install it. Okay, after that, click on connect. When you click on connect, you can see free server with ads. This means that you're going to watch a couple of ads, just a little adverts, and you use it. Let me click on it. So we're going to go ahead to watch this advert. It's not even much. Okay, after that, you just remove the advert and it has been connected. You can go ahead and start using your VPN. This one is connected to United States, US West. And if you want to change the location, just tap on location icon right here, and then you can choose any other option from the free service. Okay, these ones are for free. They are totally free. And if you think that the location you're looking for is not in the free server, you just tap on the icon in the middle and choose your preferred location. Yeah, the preferred country you want to change to. Okay, I just pay the token. Just going to pay for 4,160 per month and 25,000 naira per 25,000 naira per year, 2,490 per week. Okay, so this is how it works. But I normally use the free server, United States, and it serves me well. Okay, so this is it. This is how to connect it. And after connecting and you feel like you don't want to connect, you want to disconnect for some reasons, you just tap on the connect and it have disconnect. Okay, so this is how to use a VPN. Okay, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, kindly hit the like button, click on the subscription button.